Hello everybody, my name is Majd Darwish. The first question is, did you hear this sound before? Yeah, sure. A lot of you already heard the sound of Skype. Now, what is Skype and what is the history of Skype? Actually, Skype is founded by European developers. The foremost voice over Internet protocol service was launched in August 2003. Actually, Skype stands for Sky Peer-to-Peer. This system allows your call to be carried over an internet connection rather than a phone line. It was published by Skype Communications and was recently acquired by Microsoft Corporation on 2011. So now, what is Skype actually? Skype is a software that enables the world's conversations. Millions of individuals and businesses use Skype to make free video and voice one-to-one and group calls, send instant messages, and share files with other people on Skype. Actually, Skype transformed the world. It allowed people to stay in touch with their friends and family, no matter what their age, where they live or work, through instant messaging or video. The service really took off for those that were the farthest apart. Now, what platforms Skype can use? Actually, Skype started as PC to PC service using Mac and Windows platforms. Furthermore, with the development of communication and with the smartphone revolutions, so it was developed for smartphone platforms such as OS, Android, and web-based. However, the tough competition in the communication market allowed other technologies such as Zoom and Messenger to overcome Skype and take considerable market share. What is the key feature of Skype? Skype offers audio and HD video calling, smart messaging, call recording and live subtitles, call phones, private conversation, share your desktop or mobile screen easily, share presentations, holiday photos, or anything on your screen during a call with integrated screen sharing. Then drag and drop files and record your meetings. This feature, we could consider it a very good opportunities for teaching as well. So on Skype opens a revolutionary style for online teaching with free, easy, and user-friendly service that enables us to make video call, chat, office hours, video and voice recorder messages, and screen sharing. Thus, it is suitable for scheduled online teaching. Moreover, it enables the teacher to share his screen and show the materials instantly. Skype is in classroom also helps teacher to invite and connect guest speakers who can offer their expertise during a Skype lesson with class. So the advantages of Skype is that, as I mentioned, the audio and video calling and messaging, recording call and leave subtitles, call phones. Even you can call the normal landline phones or mobile phones from your Skype actually. And one other feature is drag and drop files. That means you can drag and drop the files to share it with your peer actually. I mean your other friend in the other side of Skype. Now, what is the disadvantages of Skype? It offers little or no access to emergency services, and then a limited number of group attendants. Skype offers up to, the free version offer about up to 50 attendants, while Zoom, for example, it offers about 100 attendants. Then there are no real face-to-face interactions. One of the parties will speak and the other should listen. So it's not like a phone conversation an interaction directly. Then there are no language translation services, so it limited the communication to be between the people who have the same languages. Again, sound quality on Skype are based on bandwidth, so that means it can be affected by the quality of your internet. The background noises are picked up rather easily. So if you want to do any Skype video meeting, you have to be sure that the background is quiet at your side and their side actually. Otherwise it will make noises during the conversations. Finally, as wrap up, Skype was the spearhead for voice over internet technology. Nobody can ignore their efforts to start this technology. Now the mobility and smartphones revolution left Skype behind, as Skype was depending on BC to BC communication. Then they started to develop the Skype, but I think it was too late to catch the race. Other softwares like Zoom and Messengers, they already at that time they were already got an important part of the market share. In any case, Skype is recommended for small businesses group and small classes, as it is easy to set up, user-friendly, and safe for students. And at the end, it's free, so no cost will be done.